Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Mega Dave from Despicable Me.
Yes.
It's going to be super easy and fun, and also guys, we have a new thing called Fan Art Friday.
Okay.
Do you want to describe it to them?
Alright, yes guys, so Fan Art Friday, this is how it's going to go. If you guys go to our homepage on our YouTube and you click our description on our YouTube, you'll see a contact where it has our email. You can contact us and email us directly with the request of your own personal request, whatever you'd like KK to draw, whether it's a cool character or like, let's say Spider-Man or Venom or whatever it may be, whether it's a K-pop character. And if you get chosen, what KK would do is she's going to draw it on a canvas and then she's going to send it to maybe like a P.O. box, or it'll definitely get featured on the channel.
Yes.
So every other Friday, we're going to take a request from one of our subscribers. You have to be subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe. And then upon your request with your name, we're going to feature that specific piece of art on our channel every other Friday. So for your chance to win, make sure you subscribe and you email us in our description on our YouTube if you want to be featured on our channel.
It's going to be super cool.
Super fun and super cool. So we're going to roll that out. You guys come draw Mega Dave with us.
Alright guys, let's get started with Mega Dave.
Mega Dave.
I'm
Despicable
excited.
Me. Let's do it.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the paper completely upside down.
That's pretty cool. That's new.
Right?
Yeah, that's cool.
And what we're going to do is we're going to draw his body, and his body's shaped like an egg. So the top part of the egg is just going to be a little bit more flat, but what we're doing is we're going to make like an oval.
Oh, it looks like Mr. Potato Head a little bit.
It kind of looks like an egg to me.
Yeah, like a hard-boiled egg.
Or like a potato. Yeah,
yeah,
like
Mr. Potato Head.
That's a good example.
All right, well, your potato is perfect, so let's see if I can do
Well,
mine.
look, I left space here, here, and on the sides.
All right, so just a potato, literally a potato in the middle of the paper.
It's perfect. So we turn the paper over.
Okay.
This is his body.
I got it.
Head's bigger than his body.
Yeah.
But we could continue, and the next thing we're going to do is his eyes.
Okay.
So right towards the top, leaving a little bit of space, his eyes are connected, so I'm going to make two curves, like two rainbows that go the opposite way. So I have one curve going this way.
Mega Dave kind of has like glasses on, right?
He has his goggles.
Oh, his goggles on, right.
And then a curve going to the right.
Okay.
So two curves.
So like two rainbows like this, like connected?
Correct. And then what we could do is we're going to finish almost as if we were drawing a circle, but come back with a curve. So look, I'm going to come here. I'm going to make like a circle shape.
Okay.
And then go up to a point.
Okay.
And then we'll do that same curve out.
It.
So it's two circles connected.
Okay, got it.
Good job. There we have the outside of his goggles. We could do the details in the inside, which are his eyes.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is we're going to do a circle that's super close to the outside of his goggles. So I'm going to do one on the left side for his left eye.
Okay.
Just like this. Good job. And then do the same thing on the right. So there we have his two eyes.
Okay.
And now we could draw the details. So this is actually just his goggles.
Okay.
So now we could draw his eyes, and what we're going to do first is we're going to make a curve at the top that looks a little bit like a smiley face, just at the top.
Are these his eyelids?
These are his eyelids,
okay,
yes,
so
good job.
Draw his eyelids. It's coming together, his face is coming together slowly but surely. We're getting it.
We did it on both eyes,
okay.
And then connected to his eyelids, we're going to do something that looks like a circle. So I'm going to come here.
Okay, like a half a circle?
Like a half a circle.
Okay.
And these are his eyes, right connected to his eyelids.
He always looks mad, Mega Dave.
Yeah, he's like super serious.
Yeah, he's serious. He's a serious guy.
He's the strongest one, that's why.
That's why. So he has to keep like the strong demeanor.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. I like that. Okay.
Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw two little circles on the inside.
Okay.
These are his actual eyeballs, just like this. And then we could continue with his mouth.
Okay.
So right under his eyes, what we're going to do is we're going to make one horizontal line that's the same width of his eyes. So it's like just as on his eyes, right under his eyeballs.
What is this?
This is going to be his mouth.
Okay, so right under his eyeballs, I'm just going to draw a straight line.
Yep. Perfect.
Got it, okay.
And then we're going to curve down to the side.
Okay.
Just like this.
He has a big mouth? Because that's what it seems like it is. A little bit more out. And then curve down. Mm-hmm. Got it.
Yep, do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
Curve down.
Got it.
And then, if you want to turn your paper to make it easier, you could just make a horizontal line to connect that, or you could just connect the 2 points.
Okay, I'll watch you first.
Yeah. You could come down a little more, I think.
Okay, come down a little bit more right here.
Ah! Yay!
Let's go.
And then, what we're going to do is we're going to copy the same design on the inside.
Okay,
so just
like an outline
we
of
copied
it, right?
the eyes for the goggles, we're going to do the same thing.
Okay.
This part's going to be like his lips.
Okay.
So we're gonna copy the same thing.
Got it.
Do the horizontal line.
Okay.
Nice
That's
job.
good.
Okay.
And then on the inside, we're gonna do his teeth and his tongue.
Okay, got
So
it.
his tongue at the bottom is gonna look like two hills or two mountains, and they connect to the sides. So-
Every time we draw mouths, we typically draw them like this.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
true. So we'll start up here. We'll go
Yeah.
up like a hill.
And this
Down
is his
a little
tongue,
bit.
right?
Yep.
Got
and
it.
then connect another hill to this one. Connect it to the other side of his mouth.
Got it.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then right on top, we're gonna draw his teeth.
Got it. Okay.
So what we're gonna do is right in the middle, we're gonna make one letter U that doesn't connect to the top.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna make a few more U's that connect to the side.
Okay. And these are all going to be attached, right?
Yep, they're all connected to each other.
Got it.
And those are his teeth.
And it connects to the side, though, right?
It connects to the side.
Got
of
it.
his... Yay! Look at
You
that.
got little giblets on mine.
Those are his teeth,
Okay.
and then we could continue and we could do his overalls,
Okay.
which are like the staple of the Minions.
yeah. That's
so
true.
we're gonna leave a little bit more space than we did there. So
Okay.
we're gonna leave a decent amount of space, and we're gonna make another horizontal line that's shorter than his mouth. So I'm just gonna come here and make a horizontal line just like this.
Got
It's
it.
a little shorter than his mouth.
Right underneath his
Right in
mouth,
the
right
middle.
here.
Mhm.
Okay. Got it.
Perfect. And then we're gonna come down with a curved line
Okay.
that kind of looks like a slide. It'll come out like that.
Okay, so it curves in
goes
a
down
little
and it
bit,
curves
and then
out.
it curves out.
Like a slide.
Got
yeah.
it.
And then the same thing on this side.
Okay. Got
That's the base of his overall.
Okay.
We could do the pocket inside, which we're gonna do a little horizontal line in the middle, leaving a little bit of space at the top and on the sides.
it. Okay, so just like this.
Yep. And then we're gonna do a big letter U or like a smiley face connecting the 2 points.
Oh, this is just the detail of his overalls, right?
Yeah, this is his pocket.
Okay. Oh, this is the pocket of the overall. Got it.
Yeah.
Got
And
it.
then we could draw the straps, like the
That's
suspenders
connected
of
to
the
your shoulders.
overall.
Okay.
Mhm. And what we're gonna do is, from this point, the
Yep.
horizontal line, we're gonna go up towards the side of his body, like
Got
with
it.
a diagonal line.
Okay. I'm gonna watch you
So
do
I'm gonna
first.
go up, just like this.
And this is probably connected to his arm or something.
These are like his shoulders, but
Yeah.
he doesn't really have
The
shoulders.
shoulder straps from his
Yeah.
overalls. Okay.
And then we'll do one right next to it. We're just gonna leave a little bit of space, and then we're gonna go up as well
Okay.
with another diagonal line.
Got it. Got it.
Good job. And then we'll do the same thing to the right side, or the left side, sorry.
Perfect.
Yep. So guys, we're almost there. All we have left are his big muscles and his legs.
Okay, that's easy.
So we're almost there.
All right, guys. And if yours is better than mine's, brag about it, kids. 'Cause this is so much fun, and sometimes they
You're
come
doing
out
a great
good.
job.
Yeah, it's fun. I'm having a good time.
I think we should leave the arms for last because they're the coolest.
Okay.
So right under his pocket, the
Yep.
same size, we're gonna make 2 vertical lines
For his
each
legs?
legs, yeah.
Got it.
So we're gonna leave a little bit of space.
Okay.
I'm gonna make 1 vertical line to the right. That's
Okay.
a little short, and then 1 to the left. So we did 2 short vertical lines with a little bit of space.
Okay, so
in the middle.
is this gonna be both of his legs right now,
Yes,
or just one of his legs?
both of his legs.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw it dead center then, right? Right in the middle? Mm-hmm. Like this.
Good job. Yep.
Okay.
Right in the middle and leaving a little bit of space.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come over a little bit and make that same vertical line the same height or the same length.
Okay.
This is one leg.
Got it.
And then we're gonna do the same for the left, for his other leg.
I'm gonna draw it like right there, I think. Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
We'll close it off with a horizontal line.
Coming across all of these?
Mhm.
Oh, your
To
line
connect
work
the
is
2
so good.
points.
Hold on, let me see.
So are yours. No.
Oh no!
It's 2 legs.
Oh, I thought his legs were like attached. Okay, it's okay. That's why I gotta watch you, but that's okay.
That's
I
so
see.
funny.
All right, mess that part up. Who cares? All right.
It's okay.
That's so funny.
And then
Okay.
the line on the inside, so this
Okay.
line, we're gonna continue with the vertical line.
Okay.
This is gonna be his boot now.
Okay.
Do the same thing on this side.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do 1 horizontal, it's the bottom of his boot.
Okay.
So we're gonna make a horizontal line that goes out to the right.
Like extending a little bit further from this side, right? Okay, I got it.
And we'll do the same to the left.
Okay, I'm following directions now. Okay. Let's
So
go.
there we have the bottom of his boots.
Got
and
it.
to make the boot, we have to make the curve like where
Like a
his toe
circle
goes.
almost,
yeah,
right?
so we'll curve up
Yeah.
and then just connect right
I-
back to his foot.
I can envision it a little bit.
So we're gonna curve like this, like a boot,
Okay.
and then connect to his foot.
Okay. I'm gonna curve his boot.
And then go up. There you go. That's a good boot.
Hey.
And then we'll do the same thing to the left side. There we have his legs.
Maybe let's just get some like white out. I'll get like a white marker. Look at guys, it's perfect. Look at my drawing, it's perfect.
It's alright, guys. We're drawing. Drawing is fun. It doesn't
Especially
matter.
with a marker. You can always start with pencil, but I like to just draw a marker so I do it good the first time. But she's the artist. It comes out better.
So let's finish his goggle and then his arms and then we're done.
Okay.
So for his goggles, we got to do the straps that go around his head.
That's true.
So right in the middle of that circle, the big goggle, we'll do two little horizontal lines that go out. Two super tiny ones.
Right on the outside of his goggles,
Yep.
right? He's coming together. I see him.
Then we'll close this off with a vertical line.
Got it? Same thing or no?
Yeah, we could do the same thing here first.
My brain needs it. I'm sorry.
No, I like drawing like that too.
Okay.
Good job. And then the straps. So the straps are just a little skinnier than this. And I'm going to turn my finger because it helps me.
Okay.
But I'm going to go up
I want to do that.
and connect it to the side of his body.
Okay.
And they're just a little skinnier than the little box we made.
Okay. So don't connect from corner to... So don't start at that corner, basically. Start a little bit in.
Start a little skinnier.
And then just connect to the side of his head.
And then we could do the same thing to this side.
I'm turning my paper.
Just a little skinnier. We'll make lines that go right across his face.
Got it.
And there we go.
Got it.
There we have his goggles. Look how good that looks.
Got it.
And now let's do his big, strong muscles.
My marker was running out, so I kind of messed up here, but that's okay.
That's okay. So right above the strap,
Uh-huh.
the bottom or the top strap, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
We'll just make a curve for his big muscles. So it's
this
gonna
is
look
biceps. He's like this.
yeah, he's flexing.
Okay.
So we're gonna make a curve that goes out.
I want to draw him with big biceps.
Yeah, and then you want to do it at the same height, so you could just like pretend and imagine and come over.
Oh, right, across the paper,
Yeah.
right? Oh, this is gonna be hard. Okay, I got it. I think.
I think a little higher for
little
you.
higher? Okay.
Perfect. So
All right.
pretend that we came over and then we started at the same height.
Okay, got
We
it.
have the curves. And then we can leave a little bit of space and we'll come across and we'll do one horizontal line.
Okay, is this
That's the bottom of his
This is
arm.
like his elbow or something, right?
Yeah,
It's like
this
where
is the bottom of
Got
his
it,
arm.
got it, got it. Okay. Okay, same thing on the other side.
Same thing on the other side.
Got it. Okay.
And then now we gotta draw his arms and his gloves.
Okay.
So we're gonna draw his forearm.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is from this hill, we're gonna come down a little bit
Okay.
and then curve up.
Got it. So down a little bit. This is his forearm, right?
Perfect.
Got
Yep.
it. Okay.
And then to finish the other side of his forearm, at the same height, we'll come across, right?
Mhm.
And then we'll just make one curved line that connects to the horizontal line that we made.
Got it.
Good job.
So something like
Look
that.
at that. That's a
He
great
looks strong.
arm.
He looks strong, baby. He looks strong.
So let's do it this way, right?
Okay.
So we come down a little bit from the curve we made,
Yep.
and then we curve out. We curve towards his face.
Okay. I got this. I can do this.
Perfect.
And then the same thing over here, right?
And then, yep, come across, same height, leaving a little bit of space.
Okay.
Make a curved line that connects to the horizontal line.
Okay, you came down. I think it's a little bit easier if I draw this out a little bit and
And
I
you come
come
up?
up, maybe? Yeah.
That's exactly perfect.
I think I did the arms better than everything. But I bet if I watched this video back and I did it a second time, it would come out even better. So I think if I,
think
practice
you did
this,
it exactly perfect.
yeah, I think if I practice this one more time and I watch this video back and I do it, it would come out absolutely perfect.
You did great. You're
Thank
doing
you.
great.
Thank you.
So let's do his gloves.
Okay.
We're going to do one horizontal line that comes out a little bit longer than his arm on this side.
Got it.
Continue with the horizontal line, and this one's going to come out a little bit as well.
Okay, so bring this up a little bit and just draw a straight line through.
Yep. That's
Boom.
perfect.
Okay.
Same thing on this side, right?
Okay.
A little bit.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is, from this point, we're going to make a curved line that goes up. So we're going to curve, almost like we're making a candy cane. Just like this.
Does look like a candy cane. Okay. What is this? What am I looking at?
This is his hand.
Okay, got
Because
it.
he's flexing and his arms are going to be like this.
He's squeezing his fist
Yep.
tight. Okay.
And then we could do the same thing here. So let's do the candy cane and wrap around.
Got it.
And to do his glove, right, from the top of the candy cane, we're going to make a curve that looks like the letter U. Perfect. And then we're just going to make one curve that goes around and connects to
attaches?
this.
Okay.
Yep.
You like that?
Boom.
Got it.
There we have his gloves.
Okay.
And then right in the middle of the glove, we can make a curve that goes like the letter C, like
Okay.
this. And it kind of looks like it separates his fingers.
Yeah, like he has hands in his gloves.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, absolutely.
And then
I like
let's
it.
do this side.
Very simple.
Yep.
Keep it very simple.
So we're going to make that letter U from the
Okay.
candy cane, right?
Right.
And then we're going to curve and connect it to the horizontal line that we made.
Got it. There we go. Let me
Yay!
attach everything. Let's tighten everything up. There we go.
And there we have Mega Dave, guys.
I like it. This is perfect.
He looks super strong.
Yeah, why does he look so... He does look a little angry. He looks cool. I'm gonna do some fun colors. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do his original colors.
All right, yeah, that's
Because I
cool.
love how he looks like that. But yeah, fun colors are fun. So guys, let's grab our crayons, our markers, our color pencils, and let's color him in.
Let's do it.
Guys, and there we have
Ta-da!
Mega Dave.
Mega Dave. Ignore the shoelaces.
Look at that.
I know. I just added this. I put the M for Mega Dave. I just wanted to add a little bit, but I
That's
did mine
so cool.
orange and I did his goggles blue. You did the classic colors.
I did.
Yours
I did
look
like
so cool.
stitching on his overalls. If you guys
Oh,
could
that's
see
super
that.
cool. So you
yeah.
just took the black marker, did a couple dashes.
Yeah.
That's super cool. That's
And
neat.
look at his big muscles.
I know,
He
he's
got
like-
more muscles than me.
Love it. This was
Man.
perfect. Love the Minions. Love Despicable Me. This was perfect. Thank you for the tutorial. Like I said, if I watch it back one more time, I think I'll be able to get it perfect.
I think you already got it
Thank
perfect.
you. All right, why don't you remind them about our fan art?
Yeah, so guys, remember if you're a subscriber, don't forget to submit your art request so it can be featured in our next video.
Awesome, guys. Subscribe, like, and submit your artwork so you guys can be featured on Fan Art Friday.
Yay, it's gonna be super fun. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.